وَكُلًّا وَعَدَ اللَّهُ الْحُسْنَى.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulihin nabiyil kareem. My dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and I welcome you to another session of Tajweedul Quran. Today we will learn more about the fourth articulation point, or the Makhraj number 4. In total there are 5 different articulation points who produce as 29 letters of Arabic language. We have learned 3 articulation point until today. For example, empty space of mouth gives us Huruf-e-Madda, and we have learned about Huruf-e-Halqiyah through our throat, the second articulation point, and the third one is Huruf-e-Shajariyah, which have been produced through using our lips, and we are in the fourth articulation point, which is our tongue, the lisan. So the lisan, we have divided the lisan into 4 different parts. Lisan has the last lower and the softest part, and in the last session we learned that the softest part of the tongue gives us Huruf-e-Luhatiyah, Qaf and Kaf. Qaf heavy and the Ka the light sound. This is the first part of the tongue, which gives us Huruf-e-Luhatiyah. Then we move towards the second part of the tongue, which is the center or the Wasatul Lisan, which gives us Huruf-e-Shajariyah. Huruf-e-Shajariyah includes Sheen, Sheen, Jim and Ja. Last session we missed the Ja. Actually, Sheen, Jim, Ja falls in the same category by using the center part of the tongue. It gives us Huruf-e-Shajariyah. And today we'll learn 2 more parts of the tongue. We'll see that what letters have been produced through these remaining 2 parts of the tongue. The first we'll move towards the letter Dad. Dad, it produced through the Taraful Lisan, the right side of the tongue, when we hit the right teeth and its molar. When it hits, then it gives us the sound Dad, 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 Dad. Be careful, there must be a clear difference between the Dad sound and Dal sound. The Walad-Dallin, Walad-Dallin, absolutely wrong. Walad-Dallin, but Walad-Dallin. By hitting the right side of the tongue to the right teeth molars, it will give us the sound Dad, 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 Walad-Dallin, Walad-Dallin. So let us move towards the fourth part of the tongue, which is the tip of the tongue, the very front of the tongue. The tip of the tongue gives us some more letters. For example, the letters called Huruf-e-Zulqiyah, Huruf-e-Zulqiyah, Huruf-e-Zulqiyah. Huruf-e-Zulqiyah are the 3 letters: Lam, Noon and Ra. Lam, Noon and Ra. When the tip of the tongue, you try it to bring outside of the teeth, but the teeth stops it in between, so it gives us these 3 letters Zulqiyah. For example, follow me in producing Lam, Lam, Lam. So the tip of the tongue just stops behind the teeth, and in front there are total 8 teeth who stops this tip of the tongue. So it gives us the sound Lam, 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 Lam. Alam nashrah laka, Alam nashrah laka, laka. So 8 teeth stops the tip of the tongue. So this is the first letter from Huruf-e-Zulqiyah. The next is the Noon. Noon. The tip of the tongue in try to get outside, but it stops by the sixth frontal teeth. Six. So it gives us noon, and then ra. In tip of the tongue, in try to come outside, but it stops by the four frontal teeth. In lam, 8 frontal teeth. In noon, 6 frontal teeth. In ra, 4 frontal teeth stops the tip of the tongue. So it gives us 3 letters which are categorized as Huruf-e-Zulqiyah. And remember that Huruf-e-Zulqiyah are 3, lam, noon and ra. But there is difference between these 3 letters. Ra falls in the heavy letters category. Heavy letters, there are 8 heavy letters and 21 light sound letters among 29 letters. So Ra falls in the heavy letters category. Ra has different rule, but Lam and Noon falls in light categories. So Ra and Lam Noon have the difference of this. In the next session, we will discuss about some more laws of Lam and Ra. Is there any situation when Lam could be recited as heavy, which is the Lam-e-Jalala rule? We'll discuss it in next session. And the Ra has some more rules as well. In some cases, it is remain heavy. Sometimes it is recited as light. We'll discuss in the next session. We'll learn. Thank you very much. We learned today the two new rules of Dad and Huruf-e-Zulqiyah, Lam, Noon and Ra. Thank you very much. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ. See you soon.